Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use stereo mix in Windows 11. First, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and select Sound Settings. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings to open the classic sound control panel. Navigate to the Recording tab. If you don't see stereo mix, right-click an empty space and check Show Disabled Devices. Then, right-click stereo mix and choose Enable. This simple step activates the feature. Once enabled, you'll want to set stereo mix as your default recording device. In the Recording tab of the Sound Control panel, right-click on Stereo Mix again. From the context menu, select Set as Default Device. You'll see a green check mark appear next to it, confirming it's now the primary input. This ensures that programs and applications will automatically use stereo mix to capture your system's audio output. Now, let's fine-tune your stereo mix. Double-click stereo mix to open its properties. Go to the Levels tab and adjust the slider to set your desired recording volume. You can also monitor the audio by going to the Listen tab. Check the box that says Listen to this device and select your primary playback device from the drop-down. This allows you to hear exactly what stereo mix is capturing in real time. Finally, you're ready to use stereo mix with your favorite applications. Open your recording software, like OBS Studio or Audacity, or your communication app, such as Discord. In the audio input settings of that application, select stereo mix as your microphone or input device. This will allow the application to capture all the sounds playing through your computer. You can now record or stream your system audio effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.